some bleep.
Well, now they would
What's
be
up,
more
everybody?
like teenagers, I think.
Charlie Brown, excellent visitors. We are here at the Nature Center. I'm recording with the GoPro because my phone, I don't know if the Wi-Fi going to connect right. I'm here with Brandy with the Buffalo Bills, baby.
I know, is that like a life-size version of one, right?
I like them.
I should tell you about this story about my mom. Back when my mom used to drive a truck, she went somewhere out to the Midwest, and she was so mesmerized because she was saying they're right there on the edge of the highway. She literally pulled over and got out, was like running along the side of the highway to try to see the bison.
Uh-oh.
And all the truck drivers were like honking at her and everything, and they got on the CB and they were like, yeah, you might want to get back in the truck and keep going because they will come and attack you. But she was just so mesmerized by him, and she said there wasn't really anything in between the highway and the field that they were in. It was just like a real thin kind of metal lining of a fence.
We are a entrance.
I think too, down in my description for this video, you guys, if you look down in the description, I will add some information about this place, including how much anchors and everything that it covers. There are, I believe, about 4 miles worth of trails that
They got, oh yeah.
into this area.
Sometimes they're out there, but it might be too hot for them today.
Well, I know they move around to different parts of the field. Let's see here. I'm going to pause this video for a second. We're going to try to locate bison.
I can't pause this one.
I'm actually not pausing it. I'm actually pieces together.
And upcoming programs. Get some air conditioning in here. Oh, look. They might have something set up. Oh, you're good.
Every time my phone does that, it makes me check my password and reopen it.
Yeah, this is new. That's new. This is definitely, this was new, but then they took it out and re-put it back in. I like this. This is awesome. Wish I had my GoPro waterproof case. Oh, look, there's some fish. Ladies and gentlemen, I do see a underwater fish video in the future. Now that we know this is built back up. I love this little place. I do. Get this flower out of here. Leave. There. It feels good in here. Oh, we got some loud kids coming in. Getting ready to run my video. Be alright. This must be the dead animal room, I'm assuming. The skinned alive room. Look at the turtle. Mr. Curious. He's looking like, what do we got over here? Hey, buddy. Look, he ain't that far away. Oh yeah, I want to get all in there. That's going to be awesome. buddy. He's curious. He don't know what that is. We got us a little camera hound over here. Hi, buddy. Oh, looky there, Ninja Turtle.
You see Dory?
Yeah.
Yeah. You see the turtle? Yeah. All right, I got a big turtle for you to see too. Come on.
Look at him, he's like, whoa. Where you going, Bubbles? Look, that fish is on his ass. Like, what are you doing? Where are we going? That's like two buddies. Look, I'm gonna try to hold him. He gone. He said, hell no, I'm out of here, bro. Look, let's see what we get. Got my finger in there wiggling around. Look, we got two turtles just kicking it. What up, buddy? This guy here, he seems to like the camera. Got them big boys over here. They ain't doing nothing. I like them blue lights on that water. I'm glad they replaced that. Looky over here. What do we got? What do we got? A big old snake. Creepy. Ooh, look at this big fucking gray rat snake. Look at him. Hey, buddy. We got little trivias for the kids. Put it on airplane mode.
I was recording those and it literally cut me out. Did it do it on the budget?
Out of order. What a shame.
Yeah, I think it didn't record any of that.
None? Put it on airplane mode. That way you'll be able to get it. Oh God, here we go, getting in this Old man trying this shit. Oh, they should have cleaned that. Boy, hey, yo. Oops. I guess the turtle's over there trying to do it, it looks like. Oh. Ouch. Ah, I went right through there. Killed my knees. Brandy.
And I believe this right here is the fish with the teeth. Is that the snapper guy in there?
What, those?
Yeah, it says up there on the sign about the rules. It says don't put your pen in there.
Oh, I just did too.
Well,
Yeah, they're talking about the gars, I think.
Yeah, it said wrist teeth. You can put it
I
in
didn't-
teeth, but it said don't try to cut the fish because they got teeth and they look like shit.
What up, Bubba? Cameraman. We got all the turtles here. Look, there's 3 of them. Where's Look, we got a dark shell, soft shell.
We got some taxidermy going on here. This is definitely a great place to bring your kids if you want them to learn about nature, or even for anybody that is nature enthusiast of their lives. So they have a good turtle.
I love it. Let's go in here and get the big picture of the creek. This is where you can play at, I assume, if you're like a little kid. Oh, look at the creek. Uh-oh. Look at my camera in the creek. Look.
Hotel Darby Creek Metro Park
Yeah.
is the largest
Papa
metro
John's,
park
baby.
and offers many recreational possibilities within its more than 7,000 acres. The central features of the park are David amenities. Look for the perfect fishing boat.
Got the buffalo. Let's go, Bills. Let's go, Bills, baby. Uh-oh, what we got over here? What do we got over here, ladies and gentlemen? It is a iguana. It looks like way over there in the corner. Must be the taxidermy room. Wasp nest. I wonder if that's the one that killed Thomas J. Only old school people know what that is, or who that is. Mr. Curious George over here. Swimming along, swimming along. No, he said, oh, whoa, whoa, look, he got that Violent J face paint going on. Look at this guy. What up, buddy? What up, buddy?
Are you over here harassing the turtles?
I sure am. Trying to get all 4 of them together and
I was on the other side. All I was getting was reflection right next to
yeah, this was a good side here. What up, buddy? Hello. They're still chasing each other.